Welcome to Minexa.ai's scraping tool. Today, I'll show you how to scrape regulatory filings data from asic.gov.au quickly and accurately, straight from the source. I'm opening the page on asic.gov.au where all regulatory filings are displayed, so there's no need to fill forms or search further. Next, open Minexa by clicking its icon in the toolbar to start extracting the data you need. With the panel open, click the violet "I'm on the right page" button. Minexa will analyze the page layout and detect the list of regulatory filings automatically. Pagination is found, so every run will go through all pages automatically to collect all the filings without extra work. Now, decide whether you want to scrape just the list or pull data from each filing's detail page to get more in-depth information. Most users only need to click Continue here. Use Advanced if you need to click or fill anything before the list loads fully. Minexa has highlighted the entire section containing the regulatory filings. Click Create Scraper now, and Minexa will analyze every data point in this container. All the fields such as filing titles, dates, and document types are now identified. You can select exactly what data you want, and this scraper will reuse these fields instantly on similar pages. If you're a developer, click the API request button to copy code for batch processing up to 50,000 URLs in one go, perfect for large-scale projects. Now click Complete Configuration to confirm and lock your scraping setup for reliable, repeatable extraction. Minexa has already detected the Next Page button for seamless pagination. If none applies, just continue to the next step without changes. Almost done. Connect Google Sheets if you want the data pushed there after each run, then finalize by creating the scraping job. Hit Run to start the job, and Minexa will begin collecting regulatory filings data right away. Every value you see here was pulled from the exact spot on the page. Dates, titles, document types, and more are never mixed up, even across thousands of rows, because each field was precisely locked during training to ensure perfect accuracy. Click Export to download your full dataset immediately to your computer in the format you need. Minexa lets you extract data from any website with no coding required. Developers save time and costs by avoiding complex tools or infrastructure. Start scraping smarter with Minexa.ai today.